Hi everyone, this is Leah from the PR department of AudaCity Capital, and today I will be showing you our new app that has just launched, the AudaCity Capital app. And this app is a community place for traders and like-minded people who are interested in trading, so they can share their ideas, grow, learn from each other, post and interact. So here is the homepage of the app, and all of the people that we have interacted with and followed will show up here and what they post. So as we can see, Karim, our CEO, has posted in traders community, and we can see the image he has posted. And if we scroll down, we can see other people such as John, head of training, has posted as well. And we can also interact with these posts, so I can give a like to Karim. I can also comment and share this to my own personal feed if I want to. And the further we scroll down, the more posts we will see from the various people that we have followed. Then if we go back up to the top, we are able to view our own personal profile by clicking either here or here. So I am able to see what I have posted in my groups and who I am following, my followers and my posts. And I'm also able to edit my name and my picture as well. So if we scroll down, I can see that these are all the posts that I have posted in groups such as Trader Community. I can see who's liked these posts as well by pressing and holding, so I can see that these two people have liked it. I can see who has commented and shared on this. I can also post from here as well if I would like to post, so I can post an attachment, a poll, an image, or just a status. I will also be notified when someone likes my post as well. So as you can see here, John has commented on my post in Traders Community and liked a few posts. So any posts that you have in groups, if anyone interacts with them, you will be able to see here. We also have a messaging feature as well. As we can see, this is a personal message I have got from Karim, just testing the messaging service. So here you're able to send personal messages to people that you're in contact with. So by clicking here, we're able to see that I can message Federica, Karim, John, just by clicking these buttons, and I will be able to send them a message. If we go back to the home page, we're able to see what groups we are in as well. So this helps separate traders into their different and separate interests. So at the moment we can see I am a part of just the traders community. But if we go to the top where it says search groups and members, we are able to search which groups we may want to be a part of. So for example, if you're a part of the AudaCity Capital Hidden Talents program, you will be able to join this group. There's other groups like a Funded Trader program, Fundamental Analysis course, Mindset Psychology course, Introductions to Trading course. So the groups are open for everyone to join. You will have to click on the group and request to join this, and the person who has created the group will accept your request to join. You're also able to search members here as well, so if you're looking for someone in specific, you're able to search them. And we are also, if we click here, we're able to see that we can have our feed, resources, events, and frequently asked questions. So if I click on events, I am able to see the events that I've been invited to or interested in. So for example, this one has came up, the Hidden Talents Program webinar, which is on the 18th of November. I'm able to respond to this to let people know I'm going and register now to go. And other events will show up here as they come. So you'll be able to view them and see what is going on in the trading community in regards to events. The AudaCity Capital app is also available on App Store and Android, which you're able to join, but it is also on desktop as well, which is what I'm showing you now. So we hope that you will be able to interact with us and other traders by joining our app, and we wish you the very best. Thank you.